Hello students, welcome to all of you came at that point. Dear student, today I will discuss class 12 haloalkane haloarenes MCQ for CBSE, NEET and JEE. Okay, that MCQ is cover CBSE, NEET and JEE. Okay, let's start. So question number 1, which among the following synthetic halogen compound is used in a treatment of malaria? Right, so four options are given. Right option is B, chloroquine. Now question number 2, what are organohalogen compounds? Dear student, is a very important question number 2. Keep in the mind organohalogen compounds, that means organic compounds having at least one halogen atom bonded to the carbon. It is known as the organohalogen compounds. Option B is the correct answer. Now move to question number 3. What are non-polar compounds? Right? Dear students, what is the non-polar compound? Non-polar compound means they have no difference electronegativity value. Got my point? So right answer is A, covalent compound having no electronegativity difference. Okay. Now question number 4. What is the hybridization of the carbon atom to which halogen is attached in vinylic halides? So right option is the C, sp2. Dear student, question number 4 is comes in the CBSE 2025, the expected question. Keep in the mind, dear students. Right now question number 5, the IUPAC name of the compound shown below is, it is IUPAC naming 1 2 3 3 bromo 1 chloro cyclohexene. Yeah, 1 hexene. Yeah, we also write down the hexene, not issues. Now question number 6 also very important, dear student, is comes in the CBSE 2025 in the expected question also. Question number 6, right, mixture of zinc chloride and hydrochloric acid is known as, okay, mixture of zinc chloride and hydrochloric acid is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Got my point? Now question number 7. Question number 7, what is the unit of bond energy? What is the unit of bond energy? Right option is B, kilogram per mole. Now question number 8, the solubility of haloalkane in water is, answer is low. Now question number 9, C2H5Cl ethyl chloride plus silver cyanide give rise to, option C, ethyl isocyanide. Okay, dear student, particular question number 9, right, is a very important. It comes in a CBSE 2025 100%, because it's a very important questions. Right, many students are mistake in this case. Okay, please keep in the mind, it's not there in the C2H5Cn. No, never. It comes in the option A. Got my point? Option A is the wrong answer. Yeah, KCN is there, it can be moved to the option A, but AgCN, so option C is the correct answer. C2H5NC, right, ethyl isocyanide. Got my point? Question number 9, dear student, I repeat again, question number 9 is a very important. It comes to CBSE 2025 expected question. Right now question number 10, the SN2 mechanism proceed through dash state. Dear student, all of you know what do you mean by SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism means S means substitution, N means nucleophilic, 2 means bimolecular reactions. Right, it is a one step reactions. It is a one step reactions. Right, in this state, in this process, intermediate are there. It is known as the transition state. Right, 4 options are given. Option A, transition state. Option B, carbocation formation. Option C, intermediate formation. Option D, none of this. Right, so option B. Carbocation formation. No. In SN2 reaction, they have no carbocation formation. That means option B is the cancel out, right? Option D, none of these. उसको भी हटा दीजिए आप. B हट गया, D हट गया. Okay, it can be element B and D, right? Now come to the A and C. Okay, C is the intermediate formation. Array intermediate is the many types. Do you understand my point? Intermediate means not there in the transition state. Intermediate means they have carbocation, carbanion, carbene, nitrine, benzene, free radical, right? More intermediate there, right? So you cannot say that SN2 mechanism proceed through intermediate states. No, never, right? So its special name is there, transition state. Do you understand my point? Question number 10, very important. It comes in the CBSE 2025 with an expected question, right? Dear student, don't forget. Now move to question number 11. Question number 11. In the SN2 mechanism, what is the hybridization and geometry respectively of the reaction carbon atom in transition state? Right option is the B, sp3d trigonal bipyramidals. Got it my point? Now question number 12. What is the best chlorinating reagent? Dear student, NCERT book preparation of alkyl halide is there. Okay, so best chlorinating reagent is the thionyl chloride, right? Dear student, keep in the mind, right? Don't forget, because it's a very important also. Question number 12 is comes to CBSE 2025. I will share with you. It's a very important. Okay, and day by day I will intimate which are the CBSE question, which are the NEET, and which are the JEE. Don't worry about this. So question number 12, answer is B, thionyl chloride. Okay, now question number 13. Alkene on reacting with non-polar solvent form. Okay, so very simple. Option C, bicynyl dihalides. Oh, got my point, because alkene on reacting with non-polar solvent. Okay, both halogen atom are attached in the sp2. Got my point, because alkene means what? Two carbon atoms. In between two carbon atoms, they have double bonds. Got my point. This pi bond is breakdown, and one carbon attaches halogen, another carbon also attaches the halogen. Bicynyl dihalides. You understand my point? Now move to question number 14. Question number 14. Identify the compound Y in the following reaction. Got my point? Dear student, very important also. Okay, so question number 14 also comes in the CBSE 2025 as expected questions, right? So aniline, right, in presence of NaNO2 plus HCl to 0 degree Celsius 5 degree Celsius, it comes into it will be form BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, right? It's a minor mistake there, don't worry. Right answer is the benzene attached to N2Cl, right? Not NH2Cl. This is the N2Cl. Please correct that one. It's a printing mistake. Okay, N2Cl, BDC, right? Benzene diazonium chloride. Dear student, aniline is it will be formed BDC. That process is known as the diazonium. You don't know that process diazonium reactions, right? Now BDC is comes into Cu2Cl2, Y plus N2, right? Identify the Y. Identify the Y. Dear student, all of you know the Sandner reactions, right? Sandner reactions is comes in the chlorobenzene, yeah, bromobenzene, and in this case chlorobenzene are formed because Cu2Cl2 are used. Got it? Any confusion? Thank you. So right answer is the A, chlorobenzene. Okay. Any confusion? No. Thank you. Now move to question number 15. Toluene reacts with a halogen in the presence of iron 3 chloride, giving orthon para halo compound. The reaction is, dear student, in the bracket are written at 3 Roman letter. It is a oxidation number of iron, right? FeCl3. Got it my point? And all of you know toluene, that means benzene attached to CH3, right? React with halogen, that means X2 in presence of FeCl3. Okay, is process of electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Basically, in this case, it is called as the halogenation reactions. Halogenation reactions. Understood? Now move to question number 16. Question number 16 is very interesting, right? And I will repeat again, right? It comes to CP 2025. Okay, and I also expected question, right? Please practice, right? So which reagent will you use for the following reactions, right? Giving the 4 option, right one, choose the correct option, and you can be solve this question also. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, right? It is a butane. Got my point, because 4 carbon atoms are there, right? All are single bond are bonded to each other. It is a butane. Okay, now is question mark. Product side, 1 chlorine atom are there. Got it my point? 1 chlorine atom there. Dear student, in the alkane to formation alkyl halide, got it my point? Alkane to formation to alkyl halide is the one method it will be applied, right? Number 1, light or heat, but in this case UV light are there, so right option is A, because alkane to formation to alkyl halide is the one reagent it will be applied, it is a light, Cl2 in presence of UV, ultraviolet light. Got it my point? Don't understand my point? Any confusion? Any doubt? I repeat, alkane to formation to alkyl halide in presence of light or heat. Got it my point? In question number 16, option A, light are there. Done, right? That's why option A is the correct answer. Okay, now move to question number 17. Yeah, among the following compound, the decreasing order of reactivity towards the electrophile substitution reaction. Wow, it's a very nice question, dear student. It comes in the I will announce you against, right? It comes in series 2025, right? Because it's a very important questions. Okay, dear student, have a look. These are 4 pointer there. One is the toluene, benzene, or orthomethoxybenzene, and methoxybenzene, right? Number 3rd bit, and number 4 are benzene attached to CF3, right? So how to choosing right option? That's the point, na? So reactivity toward the electrophilic substitution reaction, right? Dear student, what do you mean by electrophilic? Electro means electron, philic means loving. Do you understand my point? Right? That substance loving the electrons, right? Now is question mark. These 4 point are given. Got it my point? Which one more electrodensity to develop? It can be arranged this order, right? All of you know, benzene ring attached to OCH3, oxygen they have 2 lone pair. Got it my point? And that lone pair are donated to benzene ring, right? To develop orthon para position. Do you understand my point? That means that electrophile are quickly attached in this case. Number 3rd. Then move to the number 1, then number 2, and number 4 is the last one, because fluorine they have electron withdrawing group. CF3 are the electron withdrawing group, not donating group. Keep in the mind, dear student, CF3 are electron withdrawing group, not donating group. Got it my point? Any confusion? Any doubt? Good. Many students are thinking about this are benzene attached to chlorine. They have donating group, right? How is the CH3 as the electron withdrawing group? Because chlorine atom directly attached to benzene ring, but in this case benzene ring attached to carbon. That carbon adjacent as chlorine atom there. That's the point. Got my point? Fluorine they have showing the electron withdrawing group minus I effect. And as we know that in the periodic table, fluorine 4.0 En, yeah, am I right? 4.0 En value are there, right? सबसे हाईएस्ट उसका ही है, तो वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन खींचेगा जबरदस्त खींचेगा. और बाय द वे तीन फ्लोरीन इधर लगा है, 3 फ्लोरीन आर अटैच्ड इन वन कार्बन एटम. दैट मींस वन कार्बन एटम का जीना हराम कर देंगे. बोलो, समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? तो CH3 द इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप. तो पहले उसको देखो, आप ऑप्शन भी चेक कर सकते हो. ऑप्शन में ना IV को 3 बार लिखा है, ठीक है? हम समझ में आना चाहिए आपको. जो बच्चा ऑप्शन बी लगाएगा पहले बार देख लीजिए ना, तीनों ऑप्शन में लास्ट में रखा है. उसका मतलब ये होता है कि वो तो भाई लास्ट में रखना ही है. कॉमन सेंस लगाओगे ना पहले. कुछ चीज होता है ऑप्शन को देख के भी आपको थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए, राइट? एनीवे, थैंक यू सो मच. आपको ही समझ में आ गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, राइट? नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग डाइपोल मूवमेंट. वहां पे भी दिया है आपका, टोलुइन दिया है, देखिए मेटा डाई क्लोरोबेंज सबको दिया है. आपको उसको अरेंज करना है. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज द बी, राइट? उसको एक बार अरेंज करके खुद से देखिए, चेक करिए. नहीं होगा तो मुझे मैसेज करिए, मैं आपको करके भेज दूंगा. गॉट इट? और वीडियो का आपका मैं लास्ट में जिसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स होता है उसमें मैं वीडियो का लिंक भेज दूंगा, मतलब जो PDF का लिंक भेज दूंगा. वहां पे क्लिक करके डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हो, अपने पास रख देना. वो चीज को प्रैक्टिस करना. और CBSE क्वेश्चन बहुत बार उसको पूछेगा और आगे भी आएगा, ठीक है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, आइडेंटिफाई द सेट ऑफ रिएजेंट रिएक्शंस कंडीशन X एंड Y इन द फॉलोइंग सेट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, राइट? सो वेरी सिंपल डियर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? पहले तो अल्किन बनाएगा, उसके बाद आगे मूव करेगा. बात समझ में आ रहा है कि आपको? तो अल्किन बनाने के लिए वो क्या चाहिए? अल्कोहलिक KOH या NaOH चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन बी में तो दिया है, राइट? लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो कंसेंट्रेट डाइल्यूट के बीच में. बेटा डाइल्यूट लेना ही नहीं है. डाइल्यूट ले जाओगे आप तो वो पानी आ जाएगा, वाटर आ जाएगा. तो वाटर आ जाएगा तो वहां पर रिएक्शन को चेंज करने का पॉसिबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगा. तो ये चला जाएगा आपका SN1 के थ्रू चला जाएगा. इसलिए कंसेंट्रेशन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, राइट? गड़ी माई पॉइंट. तो ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी दोनों में आप कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो. उसके बाद में चेक करना, उसके बाद चेक करना, वाई चेक करना. वाई आपको बोल देगा, अरे उसके बाद वाई बोल देगा. HBr डाला है तो ये मार्कोनी कब थ्रू जाएगा. अब Br2CCl डाला है, नॉन पोलर चीज डाला है तो वो चला जाएगा. अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन करके आ चुका हूं. पाई1 को ब्रेक करके 2 लग जाएगा, 2 लग जाएगा, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट में तो 1 लगाना है. समझ में नहीं आया आपको? नहीं आया? समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं? पहला बात ये बोलना चाहता हूं, पहले तो अल्किन बनाएगा, पहले तो अल्किन बनाएगा. तो वाई क्या यूज करोगे जो कि आगे वाला प्रोसेस फॉलो करेगा. समझ आ रहा कि नहीं आ रहा है? ठीक है. उसके बाद में HBr प्लस एसिटिक डाला आपने. गॉट इट? बोलो, इतना कर पाओगे? इतना कर पाओगे क्या? ना नहीं कर पाओगे? कर पाओगे ना? पहले अल्किन बनाना, उसके बाद में क्या बनाना? मार्कोनी को फॉलो करना. तो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एनी कंफ्यूजन? नहीं है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमीन कंपाउंड इनटू डाइजेनियम सॉल्ट इज नोन एज. अभी एक्सप्लेन करके आया हूं, अभी एक्सप्लेन करके आया हूं, करके आया ना? मैं देखो आप क्वेश्चन को कैसे मैंने सेट किया है. जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ उसको आगे भी आपको मैं देख के जा रहा हूँ, राइट? you can think about this dear students, right? तो प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमीन्स वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा बीडीसी में, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डाइजोटाइरेशन बोलते हैं। दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड डाइजोटाइरेशन रिएक्शंस। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, the reaction which give biphenyl on the reaction of aryl halide in presence of copper, this is known as the Ullmann reactions, right? Keep in mind dear students. Now question number 22, which among the following conditions support electrophilic substitution of haloarenes? Yeah, option B, A and B both are there, high temperature and high pressure, yeah, both. Now question number 23, in racemization the product is both B and C also. B में होगा ऑप्टिकल इनएक्टिव होगा, एक होगा आपका कैन बी कायरल, कैन बी, ओके, नॉट मैंडेटरी, कैन बी कायरल, राइट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, ड्यू टू व्हिच रीजन आइडोफॉर्म व्हिच आर्ट एज एंटीसेप्टिक had been replaced by another formulation of iodine, ओके। तो इसको थोड़ा याद रखना, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। एनसीईआरटी बुक से वो एक्सट्रैक्ट के मैं लेकर आया हूँ, राइट। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट। नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग आर द कॉमन इफेक्ट ऑफ एक्सपोजर ऑफ कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड, राइट। सो आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव, ठीक है। Now question number 26, what is the measure used of chloroform today, right? It's also very important, it comes CV student 25. So right option is the C, okay। Production of phenol refrigerant R22, okay, keep in the mind, right? So dear student, is the last question, question number 26, okay। I hope all of you understood, okay। So dear student, one of thing I will share you. So first of all, this 26 question write down in your chemistry notebook along with option, okay। Then you can be choose which option is correct, right? Then you can be cross check your answer and what I am telling, right? Yeah, both are correct or both are same or different. If both are same, very good, right? Carry on to move to the next question. Then you can be check what's wrong, okay। Got my fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.